Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Little Wonders. Today we're going to be playing with Play-Doh and this is my Play-Doh oven. Isn't it really cute? We're going to be making some muffins and some cinnamon swirls. Let's begin. Here is our muffin tray. We just need to take the Play-Doh out. Give it a nice squeeze and put it in. And once you've done that, it's ready. You open the oven, you push the tray inside, and close the oven, and then you just pull your handle down and you can see the muffins rising above. There it is. And your muffins are ready, do you see? Don't they look delicious? Let's make some cinnamon swirls. Let's take some more Play-Doh. This time we'll use yellow. We'll give it a nice squeeze. Push it inside. And just put it in the oven. Let's close the oven and push the handle down. And can you see it coming up slowly? Oh, that looks so delicious. Let's have a look. Oh my, look at that. That makes me so hungry. Hot from the oven. Cinnamon rolls are ready. Let's put them here. Well, thank you for joining us and we'll see you on the next episode of Little Wonders. Goodbye.